the printer must be turned on. Press the release button and then open the front cover. Grasp the green handle of the drum unit. Pull the drum unit out of the machine until it locks into place. There are 4 toner cartridges: yellow, magenta, cyan, black. Let's suppose you have to change the magenta cartridge. Hold the toner cartridge handle and remove the toner cartridge. Unpack the new toner cartridge. Clean the corona wire of the drum unit by sliding the green tab from left to right and from right to left a couple of times. Make sure to place the green tab in the starting position, aligned to the left where the arrow is. Insert the new toner cartridge into the drum unit. Make sure to insert the toner cartridge correctly. Reinsert the drum unit into the machine until it locks into place. Close the front cover. Do not turn off the machine or open the front cover until the display returns to ready mode. There are no reset procedures. This cartridge has a chip. The chip will reset the counter of the printer automatically.